Hey there. Thanks for watching my High Ticket Octopus review by Ariel Sanders and Rodney Yard, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This High Ticket Octopus review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product, and I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what High Ticket Octopus promises us. Exposed billion-dollar high-ticket loophole. Pays commissions from $950 to $2,500 over and over. No skills or experience needed, no waiting to get paid, no extra fees, and no BS. Let's stop right there. So we purchased this product. We received our welcome page. I went through all of the training that's on this page, which is a total of about 45 minutes, which does not check all the boxes for the 5 components of affiliate marketing training linked above. And step 1 is to register here to the High Ticket Builder. So if we click this box, High Ticket Octopus is left intentionally blank. So I have wasted my $17 because I can't even get in here to do anything. They told us on the sales page there was no BS. So I immediately sent them an email. They said my request was received, but they responded with an upsell. So they're viewing my request by the support staff, but they want me to spend more money. And I'm absolutely not going to do that right now. I call BS. I was able to look at the email sequences that they had promised us. Each one of them is for a different product, which we'll talk about in just a second, so stick with me. But if we look through these, even just the subject lines, this is the 10 emails for the first product. And if we go down to the second product, it's exactly the same 10 emails. In some of them, there's actually no personalization or customization for the product. And they'd suggest putting this in a spinner before you send it out for the next product, because all 10 products have all of the same 10 emails. And if we go back to the welcome page, when we get down to list building, that's when we find out that High Ticket Octopus does not automate the email sequences. You will have to integrate an autoresponder for your email sequences to be automated in here, if it ever works. If you take a look at Aweber, which is a commonly used autoresponder, and the features that they give you, not only can you automate your emails, they also give you unlimited landing pages where you can make thank you pages, opt-in pages, etc. They also have a free plan that's available on, so you wouldn't need High Ticket Octopus to do any of that. They're also offering you a home page. If we take a look at the actual page, they're going to scroll through it in the training here. That's just not impressive to me. If you guys are in need of a free affiliate website, feel free to click the link above where Kim has done a video on that. Or you can head over to our website, Affiliate Marketing Informant, where Kim has an article about how to create a website for affiliate marketing the right way, with another link in there to get a free website as well. Also, if we look at the titles on here, these are about the products that they have chosen to let you promote. So on the sales page, if we scroll down, they do tell us what 10 done for you campaigns they have picked out for this product. The ones I have researched are available on ClickBank with no waiting for approval to promote the product. So if we take a look at ClickBank's website, one of them is called the Super Affiliate System. So if we take a look on ClickBank, the Super Affiliate System, this little icon here says that it does have affiliate tools. Affiliate tools is an option that you can choose to filter by, typically offer articles like this for you to post on a website. So you wouldn't need High Ticket Octopus to do this either. As a matter of fact, there is another platform out. If we take a look back on our website again, Digistore24 also has no wait for approval. And Kim has put together this article that I'll link in the description below, and also in the card above for you guys to take a look at the video she did about that if you're interested. The last thing I think there is to even talk about is the traffic that they promise you. The only thing discussed in this is AdSense and or solo ads, so paid traffic. And the only discussion of any kind of free traffic that I've heard in this training is that they expect this website to rank on Google. Guys, websites like this just don't rank on Google. So that's not going to work out as a free traffic source. Like they told us we were going to get here with built-in free traffic. They said there was no extra fees, but solo ads and Google AdSense and Facebook ads all cost money. If we look at the pricing for High Ticket Octopus, there's a total of 10 upsells. They've got a pretty big typo here, which isn't always a big deal, but even they gave up after OTO number 5 because all the rest of them are listed as OTO number 5 as well. I'm not going to go through these because this product doesn't even work, but it can cost you up to $1,227 for a product that's not even working. Guys, please don't waste your time, your money, or your energy on High Ticket Octopus. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.